Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get Cupcake in YouTube Simulator Z. Start by heading to the main bakery area and talk to the baker NPC to accept the Cupcake quest. Focus on gathering 5 sugar units and 1 frosting item, then use the oven station to bake batches quickly. Remember to play mini-games to earn tokens and keep an eye on quest timers so you complete tasks before they expire for a smooth grab of the cupcake. This part explains practical baking tips to speed up cupcake acquisition and keep gameplay relaxed. Prioritize oven boosts and match ingredients in the correct sequence to avoid wasted attempts and lost resources. Play shorter mini-games that reward tokens rather than long challenges that risk failure. Managing inventory space and saving tokens for the vendor unlock will get you to the cupcake faster while keeping the experience fun. Here I share a fast route strategy that helps you claim the cupcake with minimal fuss and maximal fun. Always choose the nearest respawn point to shave off travel time and coordinate with a teammate to split ingredient runs. Focus on repeating the shortest quest loop and avoid side quests until you secure the cupcake. This method conserves resources and tokens so you can get that prized cupcake quickly and reliably every run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.